guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am super excited to be joining a new collaboration with a group that we are calling ourselves the Crafty Chicks. And each month we are going to all be posting throughout the month, showing you different ideas and takes on using the same product. And so for the month of August, the product we are working with is washi tape. And so what I am doing is kind of creating my own background. So I started with a black and white polka dot paper, and that was just from a Project Life paper pad. And then I took a piece of white cardstock and cut it down to 10 by 10. And then I'm backing it with just a little bit of pale blue paper. And so that's going to sit right in the center of my layout and kind of make the basis for the layout itself. And so I'm using a black and white photo that is 4 by 6. And this is a picture of my oldest son, who is now 11, guys, 11. And so this is him just having some sleepy snuggly time. And so what I want to do is I want to have my title kind of be along the bottom edge of my photo. And then I'm going to create a fun background all the way around where that photo is going to sit on the page. So that's why I'm kind of playing around right now in the beginning, trying to decide exactly where I want the photo to be, because that's going to help me make some decisions about where my washi tape is going to go. And so I have pulled out nine different kinds of washi here, you guys. Nine. And so I am just going to open up my washi, and this amazing orange washi is very old, and I just opened it, and it is one of those ones that will not rip off the roll correctly. And so it had a horrible fate into my trash can and did not get used. And so definitely, guys, use your supplies. Washi tape especially does have a shelf life, and it does eventually wear out to where it won't, rip off the roll. And so you'll see me try and play with it and save it and struggle with it. And I really do give it a valiant effort that I want this washi tape as part of my design. And it's not happening. And so it goes away. And instead I'm going to pull out that chevron one that came out of that Dear Lizzie sticker book. And it works just fine. It matches the colors. It's great. So I'm moving on. No big deal. And so this is a super simple technique. All you're going to do is take strips of washi in different colors and widths and line them all up across the page. And so I am definitely leaving white space in between them. And I am ripping them off, making them all different heights. So each one is going to have a little bit of a different weight to it. So some of them are wider, like that raindrop one. I have this blue with white stars. I'm just lining them all up. So it doesn't truly get any easier than this, you guys. But it creates a really impactful background when you're done. So all I'm going to do is I'm not going to make you watch this entire process, but I'm just going to continue, and I'm going to keep all of my washi in order. So the order is just going to continue repeating itself throughout the entire layout. And I do skip over the area where my photo is going to live, and so you'll see that as the video continues, so that I'm not getting to where patterns are next to each other. So the same pattern doesn't repeat right next to each other, and skipping the area where my photo is allows that to happen because it moves the order of my washi tape patterns off just a little bit. And so you'll kind of see how that works out. But I do go ahead and put some on the edges. So I am going to have the raindrop here again. So I'm keeping them still in that same order. It's just I'm skipping that whole middle section, and that allows my patterns to be off so they're not going to end up lined up directly with the same exact pattern, because that's just, it's too perfect for me. I don't like that so much. And so I'm just going to continue here making all of my strips the right size, and I want there to be 2 sets of strips that go like with my photo, and then I want to have 1 complete strip at the top and 1 complete strip at the bottom. So I'm just lining those up to make sure that I am getting that to happen. And I had that little chevron piece kind of stuck onto my lamp up there. That's why you saw me kind of grab for the top. And that's going to allow me to kind of continue my pattern and finish off with all this washi. So I do want to encourage you to come back throughout the month to all of the different ladies that are a part of the Crafty Chicks collaboration, because we are all going to be showing you our unique takes and different styles of how we like to use washi. So by the end of the month, you should have tons and tons of ideas. So there I finished up all of my washi tape, And I have taken my photo and put it on a tiny white cardstock background, and then I've put it on some dimensional adhesive so that it's going to stand up off that background. And so I often do that if I have more of a bold or kind of really busy background. I want my photo to stand up because that's still going to make it the highlight even when it has something busier behind it. And then I'm going to use these silver thickers, and these were from Bo Bunny. And they came with I'm trying to remember what the name of this collection was. I had it before I started. Little Wonders. The Little Wonders collection. And so I put Sleepy Dew down on the bottom of my photo, and then I'm just kind of scattering a bunch of the silver foam puffy stars that came with those same thickers. And I'm going to scatter those kind of just throughout the layout in random places with my overlapping my washi tape. And that's going to do it for this layout. So super, super quick and simple layout, but a really impactful way to use up lots of different patterns of washi tape and create a really kind of different and interesting look. So I hope that you will try out this strategy with washi tape. Make sure to join all the other ladies, and I'll see you soon. Bye!